This air water syringe replacement video. First thing you want to do is turn your unit off at the main switch. If that does not work to turn the unit off, which is the case with this one, you can take your hose and kink it, put hemostats on the hose to cut the water and air off, or you can take a piece to the new air water syringe, slide it over the hose, and it also works the same way. Unscrew the sleeve at the bottom of the air water syringe. Some have white sleeves and two hoses. Mark one hose so you know which it is. I usually mark the water side with a permanent marker. Needle nose pliers. Remove the sleeves. You can either pull the hoses off, which most of the time they do not come off easily. Cut the hoses with scissors. Get your new air water syringe. Take the sleeve from your old one, switch them out. Put the sleeve on first. Then the hose you marked for water side or air side, whichever one you chose to do, put it on. And then the other hose. Then slide your sleeves back on with your needle nose pliers. If you cannot get the sleeves to slide on, it's not the end of the world. You will notice that some air water syringes do not even have sleeves. Hoses stay on just the same. Tighten the bottom sleeve back up on your air water syringe. Remove the old hose sleeve. And you have replaced the air water syringe.